In this video, I'll show you how to create an Amazon account if you don't have one, since obviously you will need one to shop around. So first you need to go on Amazon.com. So this is the page you'll see when the site is loading. Now you need to go on the top right corner right here. There's a sign in button. You need to go right under where it says new customer, start here. You need to click on the start here. Great. Now on this page, it's asking you your name, email, and to create a new password. Let's do this. Alright, so I filled up everything. Don't forget to write your full name here. So now we need to click on this yellow button that is saying create your Amazon account. Let's do it. No, I don't want to create right now. And now a new page pop up which says verify email address. So an email got sent to the email address you just gave. You need to go check it out because it will have a code that you'll need to enter right here. So let's check our email. So here is our email we just received. So you see right here, there'll be some numbers. You need to take those numbers, copy. Well, you also can just remember them or transfer them manually. You don't need to copy them. And on this page, you go here, paste, or copy them manually. Once you're done, create your Amazon account. Click on this. And we're done. We're back on this Amazon, the first page, and this time you'll notice that it says, hello Bobby. Well, Bobby will be replaced with your name. So this way you know that you're logged in your brand new Amazon account. If you want to change any settings, go here, your account, click on it. Right here you'll be able to manage the profiles, change your passwords. If you have a gift card, it's right here. If you want to input a credit card for your future purchases, you just need to click on this and fill it up. And obviously you have many other options. Thanks for watching.